video and never have to buy flowers again. Today I will show you how to plant hydrangea cuttings. Cut a healthy branch, then add some rooting hormone to the container of water. Then place the flower stem into the container. Now look at the results after nearly a month. The seedlings almost have a complete, new capillary root system. This way you can maintain the pot. This is useful for most garden plants and flowers. And don't forget this rooting solution. It is really useful for cuttings of plants. Taking rose cuttings is actually easier than you think. First, randomly cut a flower branch. Then cut a diagonal line below. After making a diagonal cut, stick it in loose breathable soil. After a month, a new root capillary system has been formed. You can also buy a rose stem and try growing it. This method is very easy to do, but can save you a lot of money. Let's continue looking for another plant. Choose a healthy branch, then peel off its skin again. After peeling it, add some of the rooting solution I'm using. This is the key to successful cuttings, because it contains amino acid active enzymes, because it can promote explosive rooting of plants. Now place it on loose breathable soil. Take it off a month later and check the results. An entire new capillary root system has been formed. I really feel joy and happiness when I see the small roots